How to turn off message delivered tick marks on Messenger. So go ahead and open your Messenger application. Once you're here, click on the three lines icon, proceed to the gear icon, and click on the active status. The first thing that we need to do is to turn off our active status. In that way, their messages will not be marked as sent. After that, if you're trying to turn off the message delivered tick marks on one specific person only, we need to restrict that particular account. To do that, go back to the settings page, click on privacy and safety. Under the Who Can Reach You tab, choose restricted accounts. Click on the add button on the upper right corner of the screen and just search for the particular account that you want to restrict. Read this and click on restrict user after. Once you check under conversation, you will see that the tick marks will not be visible. So that is how to turn off message delivered tick marks on Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.